We are here on the worldwide largest trade show for woodworking and forestry on the Ligna 2023 in Hanover. Welcome to everybody from wherever you are listening. The motto for this fair is making more out of wood, and therefore, of course, the first thing you need is talented people. You need powerful companies, machine builders, and very sophisticated high-end machines. And for this purpose, and this is the reason why we are typically here on this fair, because we have a very fast control system. But this is not the main focus this year. The main focus for us on this fair is to give our customers the opportunity for a faster time to market. And for that reason, we have developed about 1 to 2 years ago such a modular system to replace a standardized cabinet with some modules which can be mounted together to a certified complete cabinet with in just some seconds, let's say, or some minutes, I would say, not seconds. Jens, you are responsible in our international sales department for the northern and eastern countries. And the eastern countries especially, they have more the reputation to have enough capacities to build up standardized cabinet. So my question to you, is that something which is necessary for your customers? Is that accepted, or do they want to remain still at the standard cabinet like they had built before?
No, that's an absolute issue here as well. Since the past 2 years we had a focus on lack of components. Now we switched to lack of labor. Also here in East Europe and North Europe especially, we have a big issue that we don't have enough workforce. And this is a perfect product to compensate that, because the planning is much easier and faster.
Okay, and it really saves time, I think, especially for planning the cabinet. And what do you think? How much time can you save?
75%.
75. Depends a little bit, I think, on how the cabinet looks like.
So that's a significant number.
Okay. Thank you for your information.
You're welcome.
All right. So that is one thing. So replace a cabinet with standard modules. The other thing can be to replace the part of the automation components in the cabinet at all. That means decentralizing components, and for that purpose, since a long time we have I/Os, of course, but now we also have decentralized amplifier. This is a motor with an integrated amplifier, and therefore the amplifier is not in the cabinet, it's outside the cabinet. Michael, you are responsible for many customers in our region. And what is their meaning about decentralized drive technology? Do they tend to use this technology, or do they think, okay, it's better to still let the amplifiers inside the cabinet?
Yes, the idea of the AMP 8000, integrated servo drive and minimized footprint, fits perfectly to the customer needs. And first customers are already using the AMP 8000 for their machines, and even more are planning to use this system for new machine generations in the future.
Okay, so that means now we have a complete modular machine. So we have replaced the very complicated cabinet by this MX system. Then we have decentralized I/Os and drives, and now we have perhaps another new other new components, our vision system, which consists of illumination and cameras. Is that also plug and play?
Yes, of course. Our new vision hardware portfolio can just easily and directly locate it at the machine, and we are using standard interfaces for connecting the different types of modules. For example, EtherCAT-P and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet.
Okay. So that means standard interfaces, standard cable. There's nothing to do anymore. So you can buy the cables, and that's it.
That's it. Yes.
Okay.
Right.
And the integration in TwinCAT is also realized. For this purpose, we have a software module inside TwinCAT. And because we are now talking about TwinCAT and software, we have to ask our colleague Dr. Josef Papenfort, because he's one of our product managers for TwinCAT. Josef, we just talked about the modularity, time to market, and in terms of hardware, for being faster, for giving our customers the opportunity for being faster time to market. is there something also on the software side which could help our customers for being faster?
Yes, of course, we have a lot of different tools for being faster, and special one tool is what we call node set editor, which generates automatically from a OPC UA companion spec a PLC function block. And this is also what is important for the woodworking industry, so for the different machine builders, so they have to be compatible to the companion spec.
Okay.
And our tool helps to generate the namespace automatically in the PLC.
Okay, so that would mean that the machines have a standardized interface and you do not have to care about the connection to other machines or to perhaps cloud applications
Yes.
or whatever.
Yes.
Okay, it's quite simple.
Yes,
Good.
quite simple.
Okay, all
Yeah.
right. Thank you, Julius. All right. I hope this could give you some small insights, not more, about our news which we have presented here on this booth. We hope that we could inspire you a little bit. Thank you for listening.